E-commerce is dead, at least for the people that are doing the same old boring things again and again. It's 2024, guys. The online environment has changed. People buy in a totally different way. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you the 5 hot e-commerce hacks that are proven to explode your sales in 2024. You're not gonna get the old boring things right here, so get your notebook and let's start this masterclass together. So it's 2024. The online environment has changed completely. We have AI, we have influencer marketing, we have video dominating in every single platform. TikTok started a revolution in the video world that changed the way that people consume content, buy things online, their attention span, and I see e-commerce stores doing the same thing again and again. Things they were doing and working back in 2014 or even older. So we need to realize that the online environment is so fast changing. And that's why I'm gonna give you fresh stuff, things that work today while users are on their phone substituting Netflix with TikTok videos, browsing endlessly during nights, and buying things on the spot. Number 1, augmented reality. People start loving the actual experience of shopping that feels like the real one. They want to grab the product, they want to see it in their physical space, to wear a specific outfit and see themselves wearing the actual clothes they're gonna buy. And one platform that can help you do that is 3Kit. So you can create amazing visual product experiences and put them in your everyday sales channel, so you can create this experience and showcase visually the product through this exact platform. So check, for example, this item. We have this stand-up mixer. So I would really like to see it in my kitchen or the space that I'm planning to buy it and put it, right? I select the color because it matches my interior. I get a QR code, as you see. All I need is to scan it with my phone. And then I project it on the space that I have in my house, like this, and see how it fits, rotate it, and actually see it in my space before even buy it. And you can do the same with furniture, with clothes, with doors, windows, whatever you want to do. Number 2, influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is still huge. It's not going anywhere. But most people are doing it wrong. Yes, you can use platforms like Upfluence or Aspire.io that are super sophisticated in providing for you the right audience so that you can select relevant people for your brand, and also have the sophistication to provide to you a campaign ROI case study where you can see what to expect in terms of investment and performance. But the most important thing, and something that nobody tells you, is that influencer marketing is the best way ever to feed your top-of-the-line funnel. It's not just about converting. People expect pay an influencer or 5 or 10 or whatever and get their money back immediately. It doesn't work like that. The best benefit of influencer marketing right now, especially after the revolution of short video with TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, that people and influencers get tons of reach with their videos, is capitalizing this factor and bringing more people into your platform. New website visitors, new social media followers, so new audience that gets to know you for the first time. And this is step number 1. It's up to you to have a marketing strategy in place. So for example, to install the Facebook Pixel on your website and start remarketing campaigns for the new people that come from the influencer campaigns. That's the best way to leverage the investment that you put behind influencers. So influencer marketing doesn't work only if you don't have a step 2 and step 3 strategy after the first investment. Hack number 3, live selling through mobile app. So 99% of online stores sell through their website in a mobile era. 90% of people buy from their mobile. And guess what? Gen Z are buying stuff live from live streaming shows that are happening on TikTok or any other platform. And actually we have stats that prove that. So one of the great ways to capitalize this trend is this platform right here. If you have a Shopify store, this is something that you can install within minutes and gives you the opportunity to increase conversions up to 300% and turn your Shopify store into a video-first mobile app. And the huge benefit of a mobile app is your users having your store on their phone 24/7, getting notifications, being informed about your next live show, exactly like they do with Temu or Wish or all those huge stores, can be something that you can do also with your own store. So video gives you a next level interactivity, live selling, shoppable videos, and a video-first mobile app that converts their Shopify store to a mobile app with a TikTok-like feed, or video clips that engage Gen Z and further boost impulse and repeated purchases. So your mobile app can look like this, or this right here, AI-driven shoppable video clips in your mobile app, real-time Shopify sync with catalog, account, and ShopPay integration. And you can see an example of an app that is using the exact integration, like this one, another big shop that has its own mobile app, selling with live videos. And I will show you how easy it is if you use the link in the description to install it in your Shopify store. So just hit install right here, allow the app to access your store, get your plan and create your account, pay for the product, and now you create the live commerce hub, agree with the terms, create live commerce hub, and that's it. The installation is completed and all you gotta do is go live with it. Number 4, email marketing. Yes, 2024, it's still a year that email marketing works, but only for those who do it properly. Email marketing without retargeting in your email strategy is a waste of effort, time, and money. And when I'm talking about retargeting, I'm talking about visitors on your website that didn't buy, and we're able now to retarget them with a tailor-made offer and an email, like we do with social media, or retarget and win back previous customers, people that already know us, have bought from us in the past, and this is the best audience ever to retarget and win sales. According to Invesp, up to 60 to 70% of people that have bought from you have a high probability to buy again. So if we don't retarget them, we are retarded, right? So your remarketing strategy that you can do with Klaviyo that has all the automations ready, the strategy ready for you, and different templates that you can use to set up sequences for everything you want to do with email is a great way to start. So make sure to have in place abandoned cart email newsletters and reminders. So every single time that somebody doesn't complete their purchase, you are able to retarget them with this specific campaign. Maybe by also offering them an extra discount. This always works. Anniversary emails to build loyalty. Send them something for their birthday, or during Christmas, or Easter, or Father's Day, depending on your own needs. Set a sequence in specific timelines for winning them back, or cross-selling and upselling more products for people that already purchased from you. So you got this from me, why not get this as well? It's complimentary, right? And finally, e-commerce hack number 5 couldn't be anything else than social media done properly. I'm so tired looking on the Instagram page or TikTok page of e-commerce stores and seeing the exact same thing every single time. Photos of the products, and more photos of the products, and maybe some videos of the products. No creativity and very few understanding really that it's all about building a page or your social media platforms in a way that look like you are the ambassador of your industry. So create media that showcase the benefit of the industry, add creativity in the usage of your products, use native content by showcasing your products in a beautiful, authentic way. Even you, for example, unboxing a new order that you got from your supplier and checking on the spot the quality of your new products. Make it fun, include them, make a Q&A, make them expect your next live, because community is everything. I've seen so many TikTok pages exploding because all they did was to just open the door and showcase to people what is happening in their stores every single day. You don't need to create. All you need is document what you're doing already. And if you want to use also user-generated content, which is super useful, incentivizing people to create content and post it on their social media with your products, you can use a platform like curator.io, which, as you're gonna see, has some beautiful templates that you can include in your website to generate shoppable feeds and leverage the content that your audience creates with your products. And please, no more giveaways. We're bored of them. Let me know in the comments section what are the things that you're gonna try in your e-commerce store. Send me your e-commerce store in the comment section. Write down your e-commerce store so I can have a look and give you personalized feedback. Please like this video and share it with anyone else who's gonna find it interesting, and make sure to watch this video as well if you wanna grow your online income. And until next time, simply hustle.